But you can go to the link in my profile, in my bio, and that'll take you to where you need to go to make any purchases. And I create artwork with all my dried flowers, dried and pressed flowers. Some of them I dry in silica gel so I can get the whole bloom. I usually use those in my shadow boxes. And then I also love to take my garden photography and create canvas prints with those, coffee mugs, t-shirts, tote bags, puzzles. Just so much beauty out here in New Mexico where we live. Our backyard faces east, which is towards the Sandia mountain range. So we have beautiful mountain views. Beautiful sunrises. So I like to capture those with my iPhone. And I share daily posts on all my social medias and pictures, videos. Summertime I like to do garden tours virtually and post those as well. So it's I'm like taking advantage of where I live and just sharing the beauty of New Mexico. I'm not a native New Mexican. I'm originally from Maine. And my husband's military career brought us out here. And we decided to stay after he retired. And I've lived at our property here since 2014. So we've been here a little bit. But I've been a New Mexican since '09. So several years now. And we just love it. I love the winters out here. Compared to New England winters with the cold and snow. I mean, we get cold and snow here too, but at least the snow doesn't last long. It's gone a day or two after we get the snow, which is nice. Warms right back up. Most winters we stay in the 40s, 50s. Now we'll have a week or two like we had this week where we get down in the 30s and 40s, little snaps that come through. But then it's right back to really nice weather and stuff. Like I said, the only thing I really don't care about New Mexico is the winds. The springs are horrible with the windy springs, and some of the summers can be really hot. You can either have, like last summer and the summer before, we had really nice monsoon rains and cooler temperatures, which was very nice. But then we've had other summers where it can be no rain, just blistering hot. Those type of summers I don't care for. So I like when we have showers in the afternoon, evenings, kind of cools things off. Those are nice. But anyway, yeah, if you want to take a peek at what I sell, just go to my bio. You'll see my link tree there, and then that'll take you to where you need to go.